Hello and welcome. I am Mia and my partner is Massi. We do different videos compared to people that talk about Sicily and their lives in Sicily. We add a little romance, old world cinematic scenes. I personally am a lover of everything that has to do with La Dolce Vita. If you carry on watching till the end, you will understand what I mean. Okay, hang on, I'll bring the oars. We're on our way, we're going kayaking, hoping that the sea is calm. So we're just gonna grab these. Okay, we've got everything, sandwiches, oars, kayak, let's go. Okay, all we are really fit, in the sense healthy and whatever, or we're really stupid because we went to bed at 1 o'clock last night. We both went to work. We've come back. It's about 11 o'clock and we're going kayaking and we're in our 50s. If we don't die of a heart attack, then fair play to us. We are fit. Early days yet. I'm going to be sitting on oars. It's quite funny. Yay! Oh wow, I can't believe that, guys. A little bag in the front. Perfect. This reminds me of when we were coming down from England. We had a bigger car then. We packed the boot and I feel like we're doing the same thing.
It's not that bad.
He needs a beer. And basically we can't go kayaking because it's extremely wavy. So yeah, far too windy for the kayak. Well, I don't like it when it's windy like this. So we're just gonna go for a swim. Today is much better than yesterday. Glorious day. Buongiorno. Yesterday was a bit of a failure with the kayak because as you saw, the sea was extremely rough and we've had an accident in the past when the sea was rough and I didn't want to have another one. So we didn't even take it out the car, but we did go for a nice swim. We stayed a couple of hours and then we came home and swam in our pool. This morning it's Sunday morning and we are going for our ritual cappuccino. We're not sure where to go. We're hoping that the little bar that's on the pier open. What was it called, Massi, that bar? What was that bar called? Il Pontile, I think.
I don't remember the name.
Yeah, so anyway, we're going to go and see if that is open because we really like that position of the bar. And we've put our cozies on underneath, so we might go even for a little dip.
We're going out this morning for a well-deserved coffee and relax. Had a long night yesterday evening, got home late.
Yeah, very late.
Woke up very nice and slow. Sunday morning, wake up this morning.
Yeah, it was
really
nice. You woke up quite late for us, 8:30.
Yeah.
That's late for us.
So I'm taking this beautiful woman with me. We're going together to go get some brekkie. Catch you later.
It's so hot that when you wear sunglasses, you sweat under your eye, under your eyes. Is that even possible?
Eyelids.
My eyelids are sweating. I ain't seen nothing yet. As you can see, everyone's coming out of the city because they want to go to the beach. And we're going into the city. We always have to be the opposites of whatever everybody else does. Yeah, unfortunately that little bar is still closed, which is so weird.
It's not going to open, I told you. It's become a restaurant.
It's become a restaurant now, which is a real shame. But anyway, let's go for a walk. People say that La Dolce Vita doesn't exist anymore. I'd like to differ from them, because for me La Dolce Vita is a mindset that I have cultivated from when I was a child. It started when I lived with my family outside Italy, with my Italian father and my English mother. I noticed my father suffered terrible nostalgia for Italy. I would see tears in his eyes when he listened to Puccini or watched a classic Totò film. This fascinated me, and I couldn't understand why he missed Italy so much when he had a comfortable life abroad. My mother, on the contrary, didn't suffer. I began to comprehend this only when I moved away from Italy after living there for 20 years. My father never got to live his Dolce Vita in Italy like he had hoped, as he had sadly passed away at the age of 59. I promised myself and my father that I certainly would not suffer nostalgia like he did, but would return and enjoy every minute of my life in Italy with my Dolce Vita attitude. Domenica mattina passeggiata. Sunday morning walkies. We've parked the car way back. We're walking into Ortigia. We're admiring the beautiful view.
Along the coastline.
Yeah. We're trying to find a little bar to get our cappuccino. I think he's hot. Ciao. Cheers. Even in 100 degrees, I want cappuccino.
Yeah, great living.
Oh.
A lot different to what it was before, isn't it?
Yeah,
From that part, what am
I have.
Il est comme François, il est blanc.
Whoa.
Beautiful, isn't it?
That is pretty.
Wow.
Avete pescato, ragazzi?
Io no. No.
Vabbè, provaci ancora.
That beaut. Beautiful, isn't it? So we've gone all the way around Ortigia. We did an amazing walk. Massey's back was hurting at the beginning and now it's much better, isn't it?
It was a lot better.
It was a lot, yeah. So a bit of exercise did him good.
Get those muscles moving.
Get those muscles moving. We're just going to grab a bottle of water and we're going to go back to the car now.
Yeah, we head home
Head
and jump
home.
in the pool.
Yep. Good morning. Good morning, little babies. How are we doing? They are getting so big. And they are so beautiful. Look at them. Oh, you've got enough food. There you go. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Don't be shy. So sweet. They love their watermelon. Not bad. We're having our own little aperitivo here. We've just had a dip in the pool. It's Massey's day off. I only had 1 hour. So yeah, let's enjoy. Good morning. This morning we are back in the kitchen because we have our 2 friends, Sebi and Rita, who are Sicilians who live in London. They've actually come back for a couple of days and we didn't know. They surprised us and they're coming over for lunch. So I've sent Massey to the shops and he's going to make a typical Siracusano pasta dish, which is simply called pasta alla Siracusana. And it's really nice and it's really fresh. It's got fresh fennel, leaves and anchovies and a little bit of tomatoes and breadcrumbs. We'll show you how it's made. And while we're on the subject of food and recipes, we have transferred our recipes to our Patreon page. It's free. All members can see those recipes, and if you want to see other little sneak peeks and other little videos that we don't publish, then those have their different tiers and you can subscribe to those if you like. But the recipes are free on Patreon. We just thought we'd do that for our Patreon page. Okay. So while Massey's gone to buy some bits from the supermarket, I'm just going to quickly clean the pool. Tiny little pool, but I've told the guys to bring their cozies and they can have a bit of a dip with us. Oh, where's the Lila gone? Flew away. Can't believe how windy it gets in Sicily. Right, let's clean this pool. Full of insects. Yucky. Massey's bees land in the pool all the time. Massey's just gone to pick some fresh fennel off the road. I'm not sure if he's found any. If not, we're going to have to change what we're eating. And? You found it? No way.
I had to go quite far though.
Let me see. Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's not actually in season.
It's not in season, is it?
No, but it's alright. I got the better part.
Good. So just picked some fresh runner beans this morning. I'm just going to give them a quick boil, boiling some eggs. I'm just going to make a quick egg and runner bean salad. So that will be like a side dish for them.
I'm picking the tenderer leaves. They're almost like hairs.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Off the wild fennel. Morning. Off the wild fennel, and because you don't want the hard bits, so you want to make, when you do the pesto. Yeah, good morning again. When you do the pesto, you want to use the softer bits, which are much tastier.
I've made the mistake of using these stalks, and it's not a nice thing to eat.
It's not as full of flavor.
Yeah. Okay, so Massey's added some almonds, a bit of garlic and the fennel, the fresh fennel. Now he's just going to add some salt.
Chilies, I'm just giving black pepper for flavor.
Okay. And some olive oil. Okay, so that's your pesto, your fennel, wild fennel pesto. ready to put into the pasta.
I like the little bitty pieces of nuts in it.
Nice.
Breaks my teeth.
Crunchy
Crunchy.
for breaking teeth.
Crunchy enough to break your teeth.
Perfect.
Come va?
Ciao Sebastian!
Tutte bella
I'm fine and you?
Te sei io nel momento in cui sono venuta a Londra, cioè era il tempo era molto diverso, ma molto diverso. Sì, adesso magari parlo meglio l'inglese, ma anzi rompere la testa.
Let's go see what the men are up to. Che state combinando?
Wow, siamo quasi.
Are we nearly ready? Oh, smells divine.
Certo. Vai. Allora,
Parmigiano, qua c'è l'altro finocchietto.
No,
quindi, scusa, che sta burrata che vuol dire? Che cos'è sta burrata?
Allora io prendo una burrata,
Una burrata proprio vera e propria.
lo frullo
Ok.
e ci metti i tocchetti dentro. Very nice. Ti faccio tutto io. Normale, buon appetito.
Buon appetito, buon
Ma il finocchietto quello
appetito.
sopra non l'hai messo?
Qua c'è il finocchietto.
Ah, ecco.
Ma senti, ma dato che abbiamo mangiato ora, ma posso fare un bagno? Con te partirò, poesie che non avrò vissuto è solo con te. Non potete capire che cioè non ci sono, no, te lo dico in siciliano, non ci sono parole. Parole.
In cinese, parole.
La cosa bella è che non conosci lo stress.
Ciao, bye, love you. Ciao. Alla prossima. Good morning. As you can tell, I have a lot of things to do this morning. We've decided to go camping on Sunday morning, which is a crazy thing to do because the Saturday, the night before, we have this big wedding, which is Massey's boss's wedding. And that's the reason why we can go for a couple of days camping, is because he's decided to close the restaurant for a couple of days. I've taken a day off work, so I am busy trying to pack everything for this camping now. This morning is Friday morning. I work the whole afternoon and early evening, and tomorrow morning I work, and then we've got to go to the wedding. So this is the reason why I'm getting all this stuff ready now. Now we have one problem. Our Ford is not working very well, so we cannot take our Ford, and we can only take the Smart. And as a lot of you know, a Smart has a non-existent boot. So we are going to try and fit everything in. Massey says he knows how to put everything in. So let's see and let's wait. And fair play to him if he manages to get the kayak, the oars, the tent, the sleeping mattress, the blow-up mattress, our bags, life jackets, food, drinks. Let's see if he gets them all in. If he does, he's a winner. Anyway, another thing that we are happy about is that Massey has bought himself a beautiful drone, a drone that he really deserves because he has been wanting this drone for a long time. And with the money that we earned this month with YouTube, the little money that we earned with YouTube, we've invested it back into YouTube by getting ourselves a mini drone, DJI. Very, very happy about that. We've tried it out. I'm petrified. I don't think I'll ever be able to to learn how to do it, but Massey's pretty good. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping to get some good footage at Portobello, on that little island that we hope to go on with our kayak. So stay tuned for next week. You might get some good footage, like you might not. So it's going to be a surprise. Thank you to all the new subscribers, to all the old subscribers. Thank you for all your lovely comments. We also have a Patreon page, so go and take a look at that page. We will see you next week with a brand new video. Alla prossima!